Yes, hello, Bo Lillifay here, Managing Director of Opus Innovations Limited and the creator of the quaint Happy Family 100% biodegradable wipes. Here just to really show you the difference between our wipes and the typical wipes on the market. And the first thing I will show you really is what happens when you take a normal wipe, and this wipe is actually classed as the purest wipe in the world. And you can wipe, it's a nice wipe, it feels nice. But what you don't see with this wipe is that it's 80% plastic. So if you take this wipe and stretch it, you can see what happens. This is the same little wipe that we had just now. That's this length. That's because it's 80% polyester. On the other hand, our wipe, you can again use it the same way. You can wipe with it. You don't have to be gentle. This wipe is normal. The difference is when I stretch this wipe, as you can see here, what happens is this. It doesn't stretch because there's no plastic in it. It's plastic free and fully biodegradable. So that's the first difference. The second difference is if you take a normal wipe, and this is a different wipe, but this wipe is actually 100% biodegradable as well, but it's not dispersible, which means it doesn't break down. Whereas our wipe is 100% biodegradable, plastic free and dispersible. So I'm going to put this into another bottle here, and I will agitate these two bottles for a minute just to show you what happens. And I'll start the stopwatch here. So we've got these two bottles going now. Make sure the lids are on properly. And here we go. We'll shake these for a minute and see what happens. That's 20 seconds in now. That's 30 seconds in. Forty seconds. That's 50 seconds, 10 seconds to go. And the last 5 seconds now. 58, 59, and that's a minute. So I'll stop the stopwatch. So this was our quaint wipe, and as I said, this is fully dispersible, and this is what happens now when you tip this wipe out. The wipe has become a sludge. I can literally tip the wipe straight out of the bottle. This is the wipe. And that's what's left. Absolutely nothing in here. On the other hand, this is the other wipe, which is a biodegradable wipe, but when I tip this wipe out, you see what happens here, is that just the water, in fact, just the water comes out. It's just water. And what you'll see is that the wipe will be completely intact. It hasn't broken down, it hasn't degraded, it's just gone all frothy, whatever was in it. But look, the wipe is still fully together. That's the wipe as it went in, as it's come out. And that's the difference between when a wipe is fully dispersible and when a wipe isn't. So I hope that video is a good demonstration of the difference between the wipes, and that is typically the difference between not just that wipe, but pretty much most wipes on the market. All the other unique selling points of our wipe are in the presentation I've put together, but I hope that little demonstration demonstrated something quite special. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.